Custom woodworking shops are being asked to produce more complex work faster with tighter timelines and higher expectations for consistency and quality. But traditional turning methods often create production bottlenecks, secondary setups, and unnecessary outsourcing. For many shops, producing custom turnings, spirals, columns, and decorative wood components means adding dedicated turning equipment, additional labor, and extra production steps. Every secondary setup adds time, every outsourced component reduces margin, and every workflow interruption slows down profitable production. Legacy CNC systems eliminate those limitations by combining turning, carving, joinery, and machining into one integrated woodworking platform. Produce table legs, stair components, columns, moldings, spirals, and custom architectural woodwork from the same machine used for cabinetry and panel processing. One system, multiple production capabilities. Take on higher value custom projects with greater precision, repeatability, and production efficiency. Produce consistent parts across large production runs. Reduce manual labor, improve finishing consistency, and expand the type of work your shop can confidently produce in-house, because the shops that grow are the ones that can say yes to more profitable projects. Legacy CNC systems are designed for real woodworking businesses that need production flexibility without sacrificing precision. Reduce outsourcing. Eliminate unnecessary machine transitions. Shorten production timelines. And create more scalable workflow capable of handling both custom one-off projects and repeat production work. This isn't just about adding a turning feature. It's about increasing what your business is capable of producing. From custom furniture to architectural woodwork, Legacy CNC systems help shops produce premium wood components faster, more consistently, and with greater control over the entire production process. All from one industrial-grade platform built for modern woodworking production. Expand your production capability, reduce outsourcing, and produce more high-value custom work in-house with Legacy CNC systems. Work smarter, build more, grow faster.